Ho ho ho, and welcome to another day on Try Hack Me. It is Advent of Cyber, day number 13. Today we're talking about WebSockets. Now, I already went ahead and started up the machine and my video crashed while recording it, so I literally has to redo it all. Anyways, we have this irritating small thing here. Let's get away. Can I close it? Oh, I cannot close it. Anyways, let's just leave it there. Okay, so WebSockets is a thing that makes us do asynchronous communication with the web server, which kind of makes everything a bit more smooth running web applications. It's also a bit more advanced in code compared to normal traditional web applications. Now, in order to try and exploit this website, we're going to have to use Burp, but we're going to use Burp in a non-sandboxed environment to use the same browser Burp has. So go into Burp proxy and proxy settings and make sure that under Burp's browser, tools, Burp's browser, you check allow Burp's browser to run without a sandbox. Also make sure that under tools, you will see, no, not there. Under the proxy settings, under proxy, you will see the settings of web proxies, the WebSocket server to be interception of client to server, and server to client need to be checked. So you need to have them checked. When that is done, you're going to go ahead and open the browser. You can basically open it in many different ways, but I've used this way. Go ahead and just paste it in. And this browser here is a lot more interactive compared to Firefox, for example. If you're going to try your luck with Firefox, go ahead and do that. Now, what we're going to do here is basically check out this web application. It's a glitch car. We can track it. It's made from, yeah, whatever we're going to call it. It's a beautiful website. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and press track. You're going to do that by doing intercept on, then press track. And what you're going to get here is a ping from Burp proxy saying, so you have a request. It's going to be this one right here. And it's a bit small. Let's go to Burp settings, type font, go to display, pick 17, and that should do it really. Not down here. I'm sorry for that. I cannot change it, but you can probably see it. Yeah, it is the one right. You can see right here. So I actually mark it, and you can see it says 42 track user 5 ID. So change the value of the user ID parameter from 5 to 8 and check the forward button. So 5 to 8, and then click forward. And go back to the browser and check your community reports. And the community report is like the dark. No, we didn't really get any. It would seem that we didn't. Maybe I should press intercept off. I'm still. Let's go ahead and just reload the whole website. And let's go and see intercept on, track it, go back, take this one there, alter it to 8, click forward, and forward, with intercept, and we did actually get a flag. So the flag can be input as the very first one, so let's put it in. The next challenge for us is to figure out how we can exploit the messages right here. So we're sending something, let's say hi. And I should definitely try to do it as a different user. I'm going to take the hint as before, as like sending as major malware. I don't know major malwares, this one right there, ID, but we could probably try to capture this request here by pressing intercept on and send the one called hello. Something pop up right there. We had the message of 5. We could do something, let's say 6, and forward it. And insert off, and we could see hello from the dark. Now, what I would definitely like to do now is intercept on, write something like test, take it, send it to the repeater, remove the interception, go back to repeater, and try 7, test hardware, and then 8, for example. And then we got the flag of major malwares. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. So this is the way we can manipulate messages through Burp in to the socket, and definitely the way we can work with this. You know, it's a pretty simple, small application, and it's straightforward to exploit. It's basically your cruise browser right now. It's basically all about, you know, going to the Burp proxy here and making sure intercept is on, making sure you can intercept the socket stuff, and then resending the message, you know. And I didn't want to say anything more than